You! Yes, you! The orange-haired girl known as Fuzzy! Yeah, you! The same girl from the Jingsaw animation film called, Fuzzy Friends, War of Friendship. You might don't recognize me, but I'm one of swg4's rejected characters. Nobody likes me, you know. Let me just tell you a backstory. You see, I used to be swg4. I used to be in the swg4 family, but then when I got aggressive and lashed out at people, I was rejected. And when I used to have a girlfriend known as, Jenny Grasper. After what I just killed him and his friends and family, and then her ex-boyfriends. After what I just did, I also killed all of Jenny Grasper's ex-boyfriends in the wedding. She fed up with being in the wedding with me, and then she just left. She broke up with me. Jenny Grasper broke up with me. My own girlfriend, my own girl of my dreams. That's all. So, will you let me out of this pool water and underneath the cell bars? Oh, thanks you so much. How could I ever repay you? Well, here goes nothing. Mission accomplished, Fuzzy. I know one particular plan to do this. Since swg4 rejected me, and then Jenny Grasper. It's just that I'm just so sick and tired of just pretending that I'm not who I am. Where's my happy ending? I followed all the rules. I drew inside the lines like he does. I never asked for anything that wasn't mine. I was waiting patiently for my time to begin. But until this happened, and now I feel this overwhelming pain. I literally felt it in my veins. It's in my brain. My thoughts are running like a toy train, and I know exactly who to blame. Him. It's swg4 and Jenny Grasper. They both rejected me. In the past, now in the present. That's all. Who the hell am I thinking? If I can't be happy, nobody will. Besides, I know one thing I have to do. You bet your ass! I know what I have to do. I just have to ruin their wedding. The wedding anniversary of Wowie and Eva, to be exact. With my Triton's or Neptune's stick or whatever this is. Well, I have one thing to do. I just have to make them broke up to each other, and finally I can get my chance to finally dominate the entire mother-fluffing world. I'll finally bring back Jenny Grasper to me, and I'll make her marry me. Thank you so much for freeing me from that cage, you bastard, Fuzzy. Orange-haired I know you don't like my language. It's that much, but I know what I have to do. I'll make them pay. This is payback time. Welcome to your nightmare. You remember me, why? I'll probably use all of negative energy and fear to energize my sea life extractor. It's just like Scream Extractor, but different. Now then, it can extract all of water in the infinite earth and countries. You know that. I will replace all of laughter and positive energy and replace it with negative energy and fear to energize my entire machine that can easily extract all of sea life in the waters. Nothing can stop me with my awesome power. I can summon tornadoes and sharks with my nuclear powers. I can use my Triton to revive the Megalodon. I will literally revive the freaking Megalodon, for fuck's sakes. I will suck the love out of all of Wally Human Eva, and especially suck the love out of them with my, well, you guessed it, love, positive energy, and laugh extractor. Well, to be exact. Well. And also, it was I the one who ruined the wedding of Wally Human Eva. Even if something goes wrong, Wally Human Eva, or Eva to be exact, and Wally still have each other, then again, I will suck the love out of them and turn them into hate. That's right. Rando did something like this before by using the Scream Extractor to literally scare children. But I can scare children even more! Randall can literally extract screams, but I can extract every single laugh, love, and positive energy off! The Chrysalis tried to ruin the catalog wedding in the My Little Pony episode called A Catalog Wedding, but I can ruin it too! But not just ruined it. I can completely ruin it! Right you are, little girl! Or should I call you Feezy? Or should I call it Fuzzy? Because you're fuzzy with fur, and as a sea devil, since all demons just cause trouble in Russia, or even the entire America, I can cause trouble even more! It's officially up to me to, well, you know why. It is officially up to me to find a food for my, well, to be exact, the Sea Life Extractor! The city of Garrusmas may be a cruel, heartless place with so much hate, but it has more love than anything else. It's more comic than Equestria has ever encountered. My fellow positive and laugh, or even to be exact, or whatever that is, my laugh my laugh have positive energy and love extractor-inator. Similar to my Dr. Doofenshmirtz word. Will probably devour so much of it that my ultimate sea life extractor will gain more power than anything else. Wait, what? You what? Oh, Tails, you actually built a protection to keep me away from destroying the love? Oh, well, to be exact, extracting all the positive energy, love, and laughter from it and turning it into fear, hate, and especially negative energy to be exact from my sea life extractor? Psh, I doubt that. My positive energy and especially love and laughter extractorinator will extract everything. Love, positive energy, and especially laughter, and turn it into hate, negative energy, and fear. Ever since the first day I met Wally. Well, now as a disguise as a scuba diver human, I used my special invention. I'm more smarter than you, Tails, and I can build more smarter inventions than you. That's right. This one is the love extractor. Just crap. I think I'm coughing. Anyways, my love extractor. It's just a ring that can extract all of your boyfriend's love, and especially to Eva's love. I'm going to have to beat off all of Wally and Eva's love for you at every moment. They both grow weaker and weaker. This special ring can easily destroy love and turn it into hate. Wait. So your protection action at the entire wedding of Wally, Human, Eva, and Wally's wedding anniversary is protected, acted, and energized with love? Psh, think again. And with this ring, I can make their love grow weaker and weaker, and so does the entire energy of the protection. Now, as my Skinners to 6 are just chipping away at it. Even the terror toons like Dr. Carnage or Mass Assassin over there. Soon, my Skinners to 6, and especially my robo cockroaches will completely break through everything in its path. The protection action at the wedding anniversary of Wally and Eva. Since in the video it's a musical, Disney musical to be exact. It will take the entire city of Garrismont and the cartoon multiverse. And then we will become the dictators. Still here, huh? Snooping as usual, I see. Oh, Fuzzy, Jessica, swg4, Ginger Baby, Hebe, and Bonbon, and Bunnybee. You do know the reception has been cancelled, you know? It's funny, really. You really think you can stop me, Atomic Man? You're just a pathetic superhero with weakest of your entire powers. And besides that, a total rip-off. A big crybaby of who you are. You know that, Atomic Man. And nuclear giant known as Jessica. No, not you. Jessica. Now with nuclear powers, I can cause a Sharknado. And I can officially crush the entire Earth in the cartoon multiverse by turning this megalodon into a planet-sized ice shark and crush the Earth. Now for the grand finale, lifting those crowds. How fun to see the negative energy in it. While Human Eva, and especially that blasted idiots known as the Atomic Man and nuclear giant Jessica are helpless. Even Wally and Eva's love are even more helpless. And gives my awesome power. My superpowers All because of my nuclear waste is covered into my skin. Makes me communicate with fish, with sea life. Fish, piranhas, sharks. Come on, Sharky, Chumpy, and Goldie, attack! Whoop! I throw the Goldie into your face. Attack, Chumpy! Attack! Attack, Sharky! And attack! Goldie! And what would that be? Oh, what the fuck? Ah! What are you gonna do, Atomic Man? Arms? No fair! Wah! You don't know what I've been through because of you! Huh? Fuzzy, will you still marry me? On a dance? Ow! Oh! Oh! First, I lost my girlfriend Jenny Grasper. Then, and my girlfriend Fuzzy. And now Wari and Diva are just gonna have to be married. They'll be happy, but not me! Huh? Jessica from Jingsaya Animation? What do you want? Oh boy, that was great.
Listen to them. The citizens of City of Garrismut sound so happy and cheerful, and I'm so miserable. But I, Roger the Sea Devil, or Amphibian Man, shall have my revenge. I've invented a machine called the Misery. Since I'm maybe a stupid sea creature, but I also have a brain of a mega mind, which will take every single ounce of my sadness in my green little body. Due to my loss of my girlfriend Jenny Grasper and me being kicked out of the swg4 family and turning into pure negative energy and unleash it upon those stupid citizens of City of Garrismut that are happy people, making them all miserable. But making me happy. Oh, wow. I feel much happier now. Like, that's me, folks. Roger the Sea Devil, or now known as these days, Amphibian Man. Oh, wait, that's just Amphibian Man to be exact. Congratulate me, sad green man. I've lost to you in that contest for over like an entire years till I'm almost an elderly man. Or some of them are mature men to be exact. But now, thanks to the wonders of technology, well, I'm City of Garrismut's literally most happiest citizen ever. The sound of every people crying makes me happy. Oh, whoops. I mean, makes me happy to be exact. It is so refreshing, just like drinking a bottle of water. But wait. Now? From now on, I think I'll probably call this city the City of Gary's Misery. Okay, let me just go polish my
My teeth! Ouchie wawa! My f***ing teeth! Stop that! I said stop that! I'm the originally happiest citizen in the city of Charisma! Great! Now I have to be a mime! I have to entertain those kids! In my own sewers! Which is the place where I live. Under the sea!